X and a Y and we're not graphing it. So if you were to graph it, it would be like where they intersect. But like everybody hates graphing. Like it just takes forever. So this is a strategy to solve using substitution. So this one for sure, even if I was given a choice for elimination, you guys probably already know that from another class, I would do substitution because with step 1, your variable's already isolated. Okay, so step 1 is isolate one of the variables. And if you look at the first equation, it already is. Actually, I'm going to put top equation in red, 2x plus 1. Okay, then for step 2, since it's already isolated, what you're going to do is you're going to plug in this huge thing in for y in the other equation. So since it's y equals, I'm going to plug all that junk in for y. Yeah. Because keeping you on your toes, you know. Thanks. Yeah, it's supposed to be -1. I just couldn't copy it correctly. Sorry about that. Thank you. So now this one, you do 3x plus 2 parenthesis equals 26. And you're going to plug in the 2x minus 1 and do algebra-ness for the rest. Because then once you do all your algebra business, you're going to get a value for x. And you can plug it into the other one. So what I'm going to do for step 3 is you're going to solve it. So this is like you can't mess up. So you're going to do like distributing. And then you're going to combine like terms. Okay, so all the business. So you're going to distribute the 2. Then you're going to combine the 3x and the 4x. So you get 7x. And then you're going to add 2 and then divide. So you get 4. Okay. So you do all your math, get a number, and then so you got x at least. So now you have to figure out what the y is. So you get to pick your favorite equation, whichever one of these you want. It doesn't matter. You're going to get the same answer. So for your step 4, you're going to figure out your y. I'm going to pick the first equation. So I'm going to go y equals the 2x minus 1, and I'm going to plug the 4 in. So I'm going to plug it in, plug in 4, and then simplify it out. So you get, what is that? 8 minus 1, so 7. So you get 7. Oh, that's solved for the other coordinate. I guess I missed a step. This is 5 is solving it. Okay, so you solved it, and then now your like grand finale is writing it as an ordered pair. Because remember, this is just a different way to solve it instead of graphing, because graphing's super annoying. This is, again, the answer is like where those lines would intersect would be at 4, 7. And that'd be your answer. So it's the x, the y. Just like how it is normally. Like a normal coordinate is x, y. So just put the x first and the y second. And then that's it. So why don't you guys do this one? Okay, ready to go. See if you can get it right. Because you guys kind of remember this, right? A little bit, maybe? Maybe?
No way, Marcus.
See if you can try it. Don't work ahead because there's an error on the one on the back. Okay. Oh. Okay, yes, hold this. That's what we're doing. Yay, good job. Did you do this? Wait, hang on. Oh, you still gotta. Did you get it? Yes. Yep. Yep. Going good so far. Yeah. Okay, cool. You guys are. You forgot the 6y.
No.
You like plugged it in and distributed, but you forgot plus 6y. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yay. Good so far. And then how are you getting it? Yeah, and then you write as order pair, right? You got the right answers. Yeah. X comma y. Did you get it? Can I just double check?
Yeah, I got 2.
Oh, so I got it right?
Yep. Huh?
Got it right?
Yep. Nice. Did you get it?
Yo, is this right?
No.
What was your final answer?
This would be 8y
I don't know. That's
when you
wrong.
distribute.
That's wrong.
That'd be an
Oh.
8y.
It's a joke, Patty.
Because he said
That's right.
7.
I can hear you.
Alright, you got
Okay.
it.
I was wondering because you had an AirPod in. So I didn't know
Okay,
if you
keep
could hear me.
going. Go keep writing. The one on the back.
Hey, Ross.
Yeah, is it top?
Thanks. Some people in this classroom must not have got it.
Okay.
Good boy.
Guys, language, please.
Sorry, I just called you.
Okay, so this one, plugged it in. So double check. Negative 24, 8y. Combined like terms.
I got 2.
Added the 24 over. Divide out the 14. Got 2. Okay. Then just because you found y first doesn't mean it goes first. A lot of you caught that, which was good. But that's a common mistake. People always just, because I got it first, it should go first in the order pair. But it's always x comma y. So then I plugged 2 into the bottom equation. I thought that was easier personally. So then I plugged it in there and then added up the stuff. Okay? So that's your order pair. All right. We're going to do this one together and then we'll be done. So for this first one, okay, so this one's harder, right? Because this one doesn't have it like y equals or x equals. So you're going to have to mess around with one of them. So that's part of the strategy, okay? It's kind of like just keep your life simple. Because technically you could solve for any of them. You'd still get the right answer, but I'm like not in the mood for dealing with fractions if I don't have to, right? So a lot I've been hearing you guys solve for this top one, solve for y. That's what I would do too. Because all I have to do is add the 4x over. So like for first step, this is like a harder one because you have to like mess with it first. So you have to change it to positive 4x plus 6. And then you're going to throw this whole business in for x over here in the second one. So the first step is just a harder one. Again, technically you could solve for this x, but you're going to get fractions everywhere. So it's like, no, that's not. So then your second step is you're going to go negative 5 times the beast minus y equals 21. So you're going to put in the 4x plus 6. And then you're going to be distributing, yada, 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 solve. Oh, for y. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Jeez. I've been struggling today.
Why? Forgot coffee.
Apparently. No, I should get my coffee because I coughed. No, it's not going to work. Jeez Louise. Yeah, close it. Open it. Okay, so now that I've confused everyone, cool. Sorry about that. Okay. Exactly. So this is what we're going to do. Guys, quiet please. Minus, make sure you put parentheses on this. Okay, so make sure you put parentheses because you have to minus all this stuff. So what that means is I have to subtract a 4x and a 6. So this is a negative 4x, negative 6. So you just want to be really, 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 really careful. Okay, so you're going to go negative 5x minus 4x minus 6 equals 21. Then you're going to combine like terms, right? So what is that? Negative 9. Okay, and then negative 9x equals 27. So then we get -3. Okay. Then,
Plug it in the same place.
yeah, for the 4, you get to pick any of these. You could pick this one, this one, this one. You could pick any equation with x and y in it. So it just is your favorite, whichever one you want. I might just do, maybe I'll do that top one. I'm going to do -4x plus y equals 6. So that was, or you could do the one that's solved. It doesn't matter. Could do either one. So you're going to plug in the 3, or -3, I mean. So then this would be positive. And then you subtract 12. So what is that? That's -6, right? Right. So then your grand finale is nope.
Yep, we don't do
-3,
We don't do it, she
comma,
said.
-6.
Yeah.
Nope, Oliver, you're doing the last one. Okay. All right, so do this one, but change this to a 2. Hold on, wait, change this to a 2. Otherwise, it's really ugly. Okay. So ready, go. Try that one. There's strategy on which variable you should solve for.
The bottom one.
You multiply the top by 6.
Can you do it by yourself?
You can't do elimination. Substitution. Yeah.
No.
You're taking that. I'm not trying to instigate.
Okay, guys. Oliver, you're working on this problem here.
Yeah, I do it in my brain. So you plug in that into the bottom one.
Oliver, come on. Oh, I know why I changed this, because people freak out on this one.
Wait, what? What did you?
A 2. That's a 2. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, before you changed it to 2, would that have been right?
Yeah, it equals.
Okay, so it's just infinite.
Right?
I'll just keep it like.
Y equals 3 plus x.
I'm just not do the extra stuff.
Wait, what? No.
Yeah, I got y on one
Here,
side. I did it right there.
No, it'll be 2 here. This is what you're doing. This one.
Yeah, I know. I did that. So it'd be -2y equals 6 minus x.
Yeah, you
Right?
did it. Yep, that's right. So if you divide by -4, you just get 0. Yeah.
This is not making sense.
It's going. Keep going.
Like,
It's good.
I'm right.
Yeah, yours is right so far.
Hey, is this right?
Did you get it? Hold on. Okay, so this, what you should do is figure out which one you should like get alone. Like either get x alone, y alone, and either of those equations. For this would get you the right answer, but now you're in fractions. Do you know what I'm saying? So I would solve for this x. Like I would get x alone in this equation because all I have to do is add 2y to both sides. So it'd be like to get x alone, we would put that on this side. Plus 2y, right? And then now you're going to plug that in for that x. So it's like you have to rearrange one of the equations. So like that would work, but do you see how you have a fraction?
Yeah.
It's just not fun.
But I like that format.
If you do, then that's fine. But then you're going to have to plug that in for this y then.
Yeah, no, I
Did you get it? Okay, so that's, you were doing what Deanna's doing. This is fine, but then now you're in fraction world, which is like sad, right? Because you don't like, do you like fractions? I don't. Okay. What I would do is solve for this x. Like I would just add 2y over, so then you have no fractions, and then you can plug it into for that x.
You're little.
Here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna